Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so the bears had an opportunity yesterday to convert not only the 9-day, but the weekly pivot as well. It didn't work out that way. Let's just go straight to you can see we're consolidating here on the daily chart on either side of the 9-day. That's not good news for the bears unless they can really break the 38.80 half low today. And with the Globex they just had, we're trading up around 39.26, 27 right now. They're going to need to put in a day. The bulls have the advantage. They have an opportunity to get back to 39.60 here. So hourly chart, there's your high. They wound it down, and you just see opportunity after opportunity after opportunity to convert the 9-day and the weekly pivot, and now we're back above. Now, maybe it goes the way this one did or the way this one did and we get back below. But if it doesn't and it breaks yesterday's high at 39.36, it's going to put tremendous pressure to the upside. That's where you see, if you're going to see a serious Friday, short squeeze, we call it Friday happy fun time. I mean, we all know what that feels like, right? If they're going to pull that off today, it's with a hard move above 36. That could bleed. It could go. It could just go, and you end up with a plus 1.5%, plus 2% day. The bears are really going to have to stand in and do something about it. Now, that's not as daunting a task as it usually is because the bulls haven't really produced to the upside. They've defended areas. They have avoided weekly pivot and 9-day being converted to resistance. But they've done nothing to expand the range, during either the Wednesday or the Thursday session. They're just kind of holding serve here. They want to get back to where they were Tuesday Globex, back up above 39.50 towards 39.60. They can do that if they can get the right kind of move here in and above 36. And they certainly have to hold the 9-day at 18.19. Weekly pivot 1675 for the balance of the day. You've got the daily pivot in there as well, in that same vicinity. Weekly pivot is down closer to 39.09, so they don't want to get involved in that. That's basically the day in a nutshell. I don't want to belabor the point. Where do we close relative to the 9-day and the weekly pivot? Can the bears hold it? Can the bulls take out 36? As far as volume weighted average price, it's sitting down there. It's down at 39.1123. Your hourly midband is 39.09. That's just under daily pivot, which you can see here. Our proprietary moving average is basically 22. 5-minute mid is 24. So we'll see how this goes. Right now, we got a late start this morning. I didn't get in until 7, so we didn't take advantage of all the support down at 16. So we're basically long against 24, just in case we get a breakout. So everybody have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.